Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Bubbly. Welcome back to Indian Agri Course channel. आज फिर हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नेशनल सीड कॉर्पोरेशन इफको एंड एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड ऑफिसर एग्जाम. Here, the first question is, wilt disease of sugarcane was first reported in India from option A Punjab, option B Haryana, option C Bihar. The right answer is Bihar. The next question is, mica is a type of clay mineral. The right option is C, 2:1. Bending is practiced in guava to encourage option A better fruiting, option B better sprouting, option C better quality, option D better ripening. The option A is the right answer, better fruiting. Which of the following soil control measures is a mechanical measure? The option A is the right answer, basin listing. Next, rotation of crops is useful for option A increasing fertility of the soil, option B high protein content, option C denitrification of crops, option D all of these. The option A is the right answer. The quickest method of plant breeding. The right answer is C. Selection क्या है? Best method है और fast method है. Pollination present in walnut is by. The right answer is C. Wind. Vivipary is observed in which fruit? The right answer is B. Jackfruit. The next question is, Albugo candida causes white blisters or white rust of crucifers is an facultative sporophyte, obligate sporophyte, facultative parasites and obligate parasite. The right answer is D. It is the obligate parasite. Tillage is most important to crop production because it improves soil color. Prepare good seed bed is the right option. Dwarf gene of wheat is DGO gene. Atomita 1 Norin 10 is the right answer. Norin 10 क्या है? ड्वार्फिंग जीन है व्हीट के लिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए नॉन क्लाइमेटिक फ्रूट? The option C is the right answer. Soil colloidal particle shows the phenomena plasticity, adhesion and cohesion and flocculation. All of these are the right answer. Microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi are useful in the soil because they remove carbon dioxide. ये भी गलत है. Feed by plants. ये भी गलत है. Increase soil pore space. ये भी गलत है. Decay organic matter. ये organic matter के decomposition में क्या करते हैं? Help करते हैं. ठीक है. Next question है, the site of protein synthesis is lysosome. Wrong. Glycoxysome. Galat. Ribosome is the right answer. The disease ergot of rye produce sclerotia is caused by the C. fujiformis, Claviceps pulviparia and Claviceps stryvi. All of these. The right answer is B. Microorganisms involved in conversion from nitrite to nitrate. Which bacteria is responsible? ठीक है, तो right option is C, Nitrobacter. Which of the following system of training grapes has high cost benefit ratio? The right answer is C, Bauer. Next, available water is held between field capacity and permanent wilting point. Tift 23A. Tift 23A induce male sterility in sorghum, right? Pearl millet, एकदम right. तो right option क्या हुआ? C, both A and. The next question is, seeds are sown immediately after extraction in which fruit? The right option is C, A, citrus. Immobilization of sulfur occur in soil at what CS ratio? Means carbon or sulfur ratio. The right answer is C, when greater than 400:1. Pure line is a homozygous and homogeneous. Okay. Soil nitrate is more likely to leach than ammonium due to its negative charge, right? Small size, गलत. Abundance, गलत. Being useless to the plant, ये भी wrong. ठीक है, तो right option क्या हुआ? Next, pH scale for field capacity is, right option is B, 2.5. Next, which type of apomixis is found in apple? The right option is recurrent type apomixis. किसमें पाई जाती है? एप्पल में. Concept of idiotype is given by the Donald. Next, thiourea is a type of slow releasing. नहीं. आर्टिफिशियल नाइट्रिफिकेशन इनिबिटर्स, बिल्कुल राइट है. तो ऑप्शन सी क्या हुआ? रॉन्ग हुआ. नेचुरल नाइट्रिफिकेशन इनिबिटर्स, ये भी क्या है? रॉन्ग है. तो ऑप्शन बी क्या हुआ? राइट. Which of the following developments has helped in the success of zero tillage? Option B is the right answer. Herbicides. Cricket ball and Kali Patti are famous varieties of. The right option is A, Spota. Next, monohybrids have phenotypic ratio 2:1, बिल्कुल गलत है. 1:2:1, ये भी गलत है. ऑप्शन सी 3:1 is the right answer. Next, a fraction of the biological yield which is useful to mankind is known as. Option A, economic yield. Option B, grain yield. Option C, harvest index. Option D, biological yield. The right option is A, economic yield. The rust fungi completing their life cycle on one host are called. The right option is A, heteroecious. Okay. Next, the microorganism lies below 10 degree Celsius temperature. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Psychophiles, mesophiles and thermophiles. The option A is the right answer. Next, sulfur fungicide can be freely used on all vegetables except the following. Option A, okra. Option B, cucurbits. Option C, root vegetables. And option D, beans and peas. The right option is cucurbits. कुकरबिट को छोड़ के और हम सभी वेजिटेबल्स के ऊपर सल्फर जो फंजीसाइड है उसकी एप्लीकेशन कर सकते हैं. Next, which organic fraction not soluble in both acid and alkali? Option A, fulvic, option B, humin, and option C, humic, and option D, all of the above. The right option is humin. Humin एसिड और अल्कली के अंदर soluble नहीं है. Which is as a true canker? Option A, mango canker, butternut canker, tomato canker, and D, citrus canker. The right option is D. Multi-story cropping system is practiced in option A, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, option B, Karnataka and Kerala, option C, Jammu and Kashmir, option D, Haryana and Gujarat. The option B is the right answer. Nitrogen use efficiency is lower in which crop? Sunflower, wrong. Mustard, wrong. Paddy, right. Potato, wrong. The right option is C. Which organism derive their energy from oxidation of complex organic compound? Chemotrophs, wrong. Autotrophs, बिल्कुल नहीं. Heterotrophs is the right answer. Indicator plant for monitoring K nutrient is sunflower, नहीं. Mustard, बिल्कुल नहीं. Rice, wrong. Potato is the right option. The concept of minimum tillage was started in India, wrong. Germany, wrong. USA is the right answer. The conversion factor for calculating P from P2O5 is P2O5 multiplied by 0.44. Okay. Actinomycetes prefer which condition for their growth? Slightly alkaline type soil. Next, Comb is physiological disorder of banana. Amla, spota is the right answer. Phosphorus uptake in alkali soil in the form of, इस कंडीशन में जो अल्कली टाइप कंडीशन है उसमें फोस्फोरस की किस फॉर्म का अपटेक किया जाता है? वो है PO4 नेगेटिव. The black wart disease of potato, especially confined to Darjeeling Hills, is caused by the pathogen. Option A is the right answer. The competition between different components of plant within the same plant is known as interplant, intraplant competition. The option B is the right answer. Regulation in mango to some extent can be induced with the application of. Option C is the right answer. Causal organism of wheat ear cockle. Nematodes is the right option. Kernel bunt is a serious disease of wheat crop. Which factor influence the nodule formation and nitrogen fixation in the soil? All the factors are responsible for nodule formation and nitrogen fixation in the soil. Next, the rock phosphate has P2O5 कितनी अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है? वो है 20 to 40%. The reproductive response of plants to the relative lengths of light and dark period in a day is called photosensitive, photoperiodic, and photoperiodism is the right option. Which mango variety is suitable for high density planting? Option A, Amarpali is the right answer. The first artificial plant hybrid was produced by the option A, Thomas Fairchild. Denitrification mostly take place in anaerobic conditions. Next question is downy mildew of bajra is caused by the option C. Fruit of 21st century is called amla. Okay. Phosphorus supply to plants promotes growth of lateral roots. Option B, fibrous root. Option C, both A and B is the right answer. Improper development of wheat inflorescence is due to the deficiency of which nutrient? Option B is the right answer. बोरोन की डेफिशिएंसी से क्या हो जाता है? इम्प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट होता है wheat की इन्फ्लोरेसेंस का. नेक्स्ट है किंग ऑफ टेम्परेट फ्रूट्स इज कॉल्ड एप्पल. ठीक है, जो टेम्परेट फ्रूट्स का जो किंग है वो है एप्पल. ओरिजिन प्लेस ऑफ सोयाबीन इज द चाइना. It is a system in which a legume or a grass is introduced in a crop rotation with a view to improving soil structure and fertility is called the ley farming. Removal of top fertile soil by wind or water is called the soil erosion. Light energy, which is useful in photosynthesis process by plant within the spectral wavelength of option A is the right answer. 400 to 700 nanometer. Angle formed by attached of a branch to the trunk. Option A, cone. Option B, protect. Option C, crown. Option D, corona. The option B is the right answer. Damping off and leaf blights are very effective, checked by. Option D is the right answer by the copper oxychloride. Saturated hydraulic conductivity is measured by the emosimeter. Excessive nitrogen supply to plants promotes mildew and rust disease in the plants. Next, application of herbicides soon after planting of crop is known as pre-emergence. ओके, क्रॉप के और वीड के इमरजेंस से पहले. बी, पोस्ट इमरजेंस, ये भी गलत है. प्री प्लांट, ये भी गलत है. नन ऑफ द अबव. द राइट आंसर इज ए. Making an incision below a bud to retard its growth is known as thinning. बिल्कुल रॉन्ग है. ऑप्शन बी, रिंगिंग, नहीं. ऑप्शन सी, बोथ ए एंड बी, ये भी बिल्कुल गलत है. तो ऑप्शन डी क्या हुआ? राइट आंसर. ओके. Soil salinity is measured by odometer, wrong. Porometer, wrong. Calorimeter, wrong. The conductivity meter is used to measure the salinity of the soil. Radish is an example of conical root, napiform root, fusiform root. Option C is the right answer. Disease-free plants in micropropagation can be obtained through cell culture. Meristem culture is the right answer. नेक्स्ट है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंटेंट इन रेन वाटर इज कितना है 0.35%. रॉन्ग है. राइट आंसर क्या है 0.45%. ब्लैक हार्ट इज ए फिजियोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर ऑफ पोटैटो. रॉन्ग. चिली. रॉन्ग. पोटैटो क्या है राइट आंसर है. टोमेटो में नहीं होता ब्लैक हार्ट डिसऑर्डर. ओके. नेक्स्ट है saline soil also known as Solon chalk is the right answer. Next question is India is known as home of spices and medicinal is the right option. आज की क्लास को यही समाप्त करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास लेंगे कल. आज के लिए बाय बाय. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू.